Namaskar, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students and scholars, sportsmen, speakers, learners and listeners, teachers and trainers, officials and professionals, those who are watching from the field of science, religion, spirituality, arts, commerce and engineering. It is very nice time, nice place, nice section, listening with 100% present sense of mind. The presence of Saint Dr. Narendra Modi ji, availability of respected doctors and ministers, honorable fathers and mothers, affectionate sons and daughters. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily, cordially welcome all of you. It is really very nice time, nice place and nice section. You are watching, listening, reading, writing and speaking for learning new language. Our Indian land is the land of diversities, varieties and adversities. Undoubtedly, we know this thing that we are known by unity in diversity. Throughout the world, all over the world, wherever our Indian scholars and learners visit, whenever they find places, then it becomes the true nationalistic and patriotic place for the welfare of our society and nation. By the blessings and grace of Swami Vivekananda, who went in the USA and addressed with Indian culture, Indian symbols, my brothers and sisters of the America, it created upheaval in the minds of the learners, research scholars, scientists, artists, singers, technicians, engineers, traders, those who were available at that time. They start by listening the voice of our social reformist, whose aim was the humanity, to spread the message of compassion, sympathy, brotherhood all over the world. Swamiji and Saiji addressed, appealed and advocated to the world that worldly people never feel alone, lonely and solitude. Our message, teachings are the same, whether we belong to any caste, color, creed, language and religion. We are known by being starter, initiator and beginner. Whether we belong to any place of nation, any time of our nation, color, size, shape, figure, of the things, but we have unity, equality, oneness. As per our constitutional rights, these are provided to every Indian. Every Indian is free to work independently for recreating, regenerating and reoperating our nation. Our Indian youth always ready to spread the message of truthfulness, goodnesses, humanity and humility. Our Indian land is known by the land of free thinkers, freedom fighters, starters, creators, recreators, generators, regenerators, operators, reoperators. Our defense ministry and other ministries are always busy in doing research, in scientific advancements. Today the modern technology has provided us online and offline programs. Our present Prime Minister Sri Dr. Narendra Modi ji also addressed, appealed to the administrators, advertisers, advocates, those who are working for bringing equality, oneness and unity in our nation. It is the humanistic approach and the humanitarian task that are required to polish, to maintain our moral, spiritual, social and political values of our nation. We are known by our cleanliness. How cleanliness is next to God. It was the message which was broadcasted by all religions, all the basics and fundamentals of the religions, language, our culture, provide us the guidelines, directions, informations, instructions in the field of agriculture, industry, social services, communication, in transportation. In all the fields it is required. It is the cleanliness we observe, examine also on social media. When we operate YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and other social sites, social media, we find that there is also healthy and holistic approach. So this environment, this atmosphere creates our generation healthy. Our youngsters